Court hearing against Tesla Giga Berlin's water association must be adjourned because the lawyer got sick and the court employee got sick. But I don't know. I see no reason to postpone the proceeding, and I don't know if this is a good news or bad news for Tesla and Giga Berlin. You know, you don't have to comply with the lawyer's request for postponement. I think, right? Really not. Apart from the fact that the lawsuit is not directed against Tesla, but against the water association. Anyway, so what happened? The lawsuit filed by environmentalists against the permit under water law for the Tesla Giga Berlin plant in Grünheide cannot be settled this coming Friday as it was planned. The lawyer for the environmental associations fell ill with corona and therefore asked for postponement, the administrative court in Frankfurt announced on Monday. But can't the lawyer be represented by another one? Any employee of the court was also, an employee of the court was also ill. The process, therefore, will be rescheduled as soon as possible. But I don't know if this is good or bad for Tesla Giga Berlin. If Giga Berlin's final permit depends on the result or the verdict of this lawsuit, then it's a bad news for Giga Berlin because it will be further postponed. But if Tesla Giga Berlin's final permit is not related to this lawsuit with the water association, and therefore the Giga Berlin has a good news because the one thing that was like a hurdle toward Giga Berlin's final approval may be put aside and postponed while the authorities will focus on Giga Berlin's final approval. The US carmaker Tesla is building its first European factory just outside of Berlin in Grünheide in Brandenburg. Up to 500,000 electric cars per year are to be manufactured there but the final approval of the responsible authorities is still not there, still missing. The dispute over the water supply to the plant has accompanied project from the start. This is why I said whether this is a good news or bad news for Tesla. The Green League and the Nature Conservation Association NABU have filed a lawsuit against an approval of water collection in Eggersdorf issued by the State Office for the Environment of February. From the point of view of the two associations, the necessary tests are missing. If the water law permit is revoked by the administrative court, the Strasbourg-Erner Water Association no longer sees sufficient supplies to Tesla Giga Berlin as it was guaranteed. That means the water association will say, well, we made a miscalculation, we don't have enough water. Then he should supply Tesla with 1.4 million cubic meters of drinking water annually. And they don't want the drinking water to go there because Tesla Giga Berlin is reportedly sitting on a drinking water reserve protection area. The Tesla site in Grünheide, like I said, is partly located in the drinking water protection area. The company has so far assumed that the car plant will consume up to 1.4 million cubic meters of water per year at full capacity with 500,000 vehicles annually. The company points out the consumption per vehicle is below the industry average, but you still have water consumption. So this is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. By the way, it's interesting speaking about water. All of a sudden, I felt thirst, so I'm going to get some water and drink some water. In the meanwhile, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla breaking news. Give us thumbs up for this report and check what I have for the next report for you. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Breaking news from Tesla Giga Berlin, friends, this morning. Tesla confirmed delivery of Model Y from Giga Berlin in March. In an internal email, Tesla has confirmed its plan to begin deliveries of the Model Y Performance from Giga Berlin in Grünheide in March. Previously, a change in the configuration had only indicated it, but now, as Electric.net reports, Tesla has confirmed it. In the email to employees in Germany, which was published in the German Tesla Drivers and Friends Forum, TFF, March is mentioned as the expected start of delivery for the Model Y Performance from the German Gigafactory Giga Berlin. The model Performance from Berlin can now also be ordered and will be probably reach us from March, it said. In fact, my friend source from Slovenia in Europe also said that he had received a phone call from Tesla Giga Berlin saying the deliveries will happen in March and he was going to have an email in writing this week. Observers had already suspected that but since a change was made in the configurator in January, a delivery date for black and white Model Y performance has now been announced for March. For the other finishes in May. Previously, the performance version was only set to be early 2022 from Tesla Giga Berlin. A specific delivery in March could have meant an import or performance models from China, but the mail confirms the probable production in Germany. So Tesla Giga Berlin is going to start first deliveries in early March. The configurator update also made some other changes for the 2022 model year, including the long-range model. In Germany it's called maximum range, which continues to come from China thanks to a new battery. The WLTP range of Model Y LR increases from 507 to 532 kilometers, 533 kilometers, and I reported this on Saturday. However, Tesla has only homologated the version with the less aerodynamic 20-inch rims according to WLTP. With the 19-inch models, the Model Y has an estimated range of 565 kilometers. The longer range, thanks to an improved energy density of the battery, is also confirmed in the Tesla mail. From a technical point of view, other changes for the 2022 model year include a 15-volt lithium-ion battery, which replaces the previous 12-volt battery. In addition, according to Tesla email, a faster processor for improved operation is installed. This should be the AMD Ryzen known from the Model S refresh instead of an Intel processor, since some Model Y performance were already delivered with this processor in China. This step was expected. Interesting for the occupants and driver of the Model Y, in the Model Y, double gaze windows are now also being installed on the rear doors to improve the acoustics. The now standard parcel shell should also continue to this in order to insulate noise from the trunk. There is also an improved music system and heated wiper plates. So a lot of good improvements in 2022 Model Y that is coming from Giga Berlin. All the changes mentioned, from the battery to the windscreen wipers, now also apply to the Model 3. The range increases to up to 626 kilometers estimated range with the 18-inch rims, and 602 kilometers according to WLTP with the 19-inch rims. One exception, the Model 3 still only has double glazed windows in the front doors. Now, Giga Texas in the meantime will also launch in March, but with 4680 cells. This is another breaking story. Not only Grünheide is the start of the delivery in the first quarter, Electrek claims to have learned from insider sources that Tesla plans to deliver the first Model Y from the new factory in Texas, Giga Texas, before the end of the first quarter. Since both the Model Y production in Texas and production in 4680 cells are a few months behind schedule, another report from the past few weeks is less surprising, because we also, according to information from Reuters, Tesla is postponing the start of production for the Cybertruck until the end of the first quarter of 2023. But the exciting news is that Tesla confirmed that delivery of Model Y from Grünheide in Giga Berlin is going to happen in March. 2 years after the start of construction, Tesla will deliver March Giga Berlin made Model Ys. Friends, exciting news. What do you think? Let me know about this, your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armin Harayan from Torque News. Please subscribe to our channel, for I have 3 more breaking news coming from Tesla today. And also give us thumbs up and like this video, friends, and share in social media. I would greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone. And let's move on to our next Tesla story.